Welcome to 2019, folks. We've got a lot to look forward to this year, including a movie about a killer drone. Yep, seriously. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and this last week we've seen the continued slander of drones. This is all following, of course, the story at Gatwick, where still no drone or operator has been found involved in the incident. But we've also seen a report of a drone falling and just narrowly missing a car, where the driver apparently had to slam on his brakes, although it looks like a very casual, controlled stop to me. But of course, there is a reality here that if the drone had hit the car, that would cause some damage and somebody's got to pay for it. We also saw a story about a drone closing a bridge between England and Wales. Well, actually no, it didn't. It was just a guy climbing up the bridge that closed the bridge. The fact that he had a drone on him is essentially irrelevant. Well, now there's a movie about a killer drone. So just a few days ago, this brand new movie trailer went live on YouTube, and it shows a new film called The Drone. It's going to be launched in 2019, and the intro of the movie talks about technology being used every day for every aspect of life. But what happens when technology gets a mind of its own? The movie's been created by a company called Bazelevs, I think I've pronounced that correctly, and they're a Russian company, which is quite ironic, seeing as the Russians are always being accused of hacking electronic devices. Now, DroningON runs a number of drone groups, and obviously we have a large viewership on Facebook and YouTube, and from our statistics we can see that only 2% of those communities are female. Sadly, the movie company have caught on to that fact, and therefore this movie and the trailer features lots of very pretty semi-naked girls, which, whilst it's clever, it may not help getting girls into the hobby, because they're just going to see us as a load of perverts. Now, what about the concept? Well, the thoughts of a killer drone is, of course, a bit of a scary one. It actually reminded me a little bit of Terminator watching this trailer. I mean, let's look at cars. Tesla, they're driving themselves now. Planes can fly themselves, land themselves. However, neither cars or planes are destroying people or relationships, at least not besides the occasional unfortunate accident. Now, that's not to say that in the future, through the advances in AI, artificial intelligence, that they may do, as may do drones as well, but ultimately a human is generally always behind any AI, and if drones, cars or planes did turn bad, then it's most likely that a human would be at the root cause of that. The movie features what looks to be a Phantom 3 standard at the beginning on the rocking chair. There's also an Inspire in there, showing that they've got quite a bit of budget available in this movie. Although their continuity is not particularly good, because they show a Phantom 2 transmitter instead of the correct Phantom 3 transmitter. But hey, needs must, and it's just a film, so it doesn't have to be accurate, right? We do wonder if DJI are happy about this film. After all, they have removed the DJI labelling and branding from the products, but everybody of course knows the distinctive look of the Phantom and Inspire range. So whether it's seen as good or bad is yet to be seen, but it's unlikely that DJI would ever succeed in any lawsuit against a company based in Russia anyway, although they might be able to halt the distribution rights of the movie. Although I'm not sure how a company stands when a movie's produced which includes their products, especially if the branding has been removed. Although, as mentioned, the look of a Phantom is very distinctive and everybody knows it's a DJI. Anyway, the movie will be released in 2019. We'll leave you with the rest of the trailer to enjoy now. Please do comment below with your thoughts, give this video a thumbs up, and for more information about drones and the industry, be sure to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye on your killer drones.
Houston, we're copying.
The drone, he's been acting a little funny.
Funny how?
Moving around unprompted.
Ah! supposed to do that?
Maybe there's something wrong with this.
It's more than just a wrong controller, Chris. The drone is controlling itself.
Afternoon, investigation services.
I know how it sounds.
Our drone.
It wants me to kill us.
I'm gonna throw up.
Come out and play, you little son of a bitch.
Man, I hate upgrades.
Babe, stop. I'm not in the mood.
Why don't you say something?